Hey, what's up, guys? We are on our way to escrow. I usually don't drive the RA, and I think I drove it like 2 or 3 times since I bought it. So I figured since I'm buying a house today that I should show up in style to escrow. So I'm driving the RA. I don't know if you can get a little bit of this dashboard. We're going to escrow. Got some of the documents they sent me here. They always send them to me and I always forget to mail them back, especially if they don't provide me free stamps. So I just take them in with me. So we're going to escrow right now. It's in La Mesa to buy a house that we're going to be closing on, I think, on Friday. The house is in Santee, if I remember right. Hopefully that's the one. We're heading over there right now, finish off some of the escrow documents, and we're gonna drive over to the property to actually see it, because I've never even seen it. So just want to make sure the building's still there and walk it, since my partner and I, Gus, have never seen the property yet, even though we're gonna go sign all the documents to buy it. So one of the cool things about putting a lot of time into real estate and really knowing what you're doing is that you can buy a lot of properties sight unseen, so you don't have to waste a lot of your time driving around, driving to go see properties. You actually invest your time into properties that you can get under contract without having to even see them until the day of closing or the day before. That's kind of like the best practice that we like to do, unless like we need to see the property because the agents make us. But once you create a good relationship with agents like this agent we have worked with before, so she knows that we're cash buyers. She knows that if we say we're going to close on such date, that we're going to close on such date. So she knows that we buy houses cash in San Diego, right? So that's kind of the benefit of creating good relationships with other agents, so they know that you're cash buyers and that you're really doing deals, and that you have the ability to close. I think this one, the park, it's a manufactured home. They changed the requirements to a 30-day escrow, but before we were closing in 10 days. So that's what she really liked about working with us, that we're cash buyers, because the last home was vacant. So we ended up closing in 10 days. She got her commission and she was super happy. And now we're working with her again. And actually we just called her, or Gus just called her to confirm a showing so we can check it out for the first time. And it's kind of funny because the first deal we were working with her, she got a little bit upset with us. And she called me and Gus big ballers on the phone. Right, Gus?
Yeah.
So I was talking to her on the phone. She's like, "Well, you guys are such big ballers," and I was like, "Oh my god! Like, we're just trying to buy as many houses as possible." And now Gus called her to let us into the home, and she's like, "All right, what time do you want to meet there?" So we're going at 12, and I'm gonna pull up in the R8. So we'll see her reaction. We're gonna try to record it.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Just
to see her reaction, but hopefully this doesn't really confirm, or I don't know if it can work to our positive or not, for her to confirm us showing up in this car. So like that, hopefully it creates some good karma for us and gets us more deals. So hopefully it works out. Hopefully she doesn't think that we're trying to show off or anything like that, because that's definitely not what we're doing. I just thought I would treat myself to driving the car on the day that we're wrapping up some paperwork with escrow for a property that we're buying. And cool, we're here in escrow. I'm going to record a little bit inside before going in, and then we'll head over to the property. See you guys soon. So we just got done signing escrow docs. Now we're just hanging out here, waiting for the printer to work so we can get our copies and go see the property. All right, hopefully we get out of here soon and we'll be on the road and we'll go check out the property. We'll give you guys a tour. All right, so we just got to the property. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, everyone, we're back at the office. Time to get back on the grind and find some more places. And I'm actually going to do it with a special little friend of mine that's here to help me.
Hello, my name is Leandro. I'm going to help Isaac find some houses to buy.
There you go. Give me a high five. Yeah. All right, so it's time to get back in the office. We're going to find some houses to flip. Me and Leandro, because you're going to help me out today, right?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna go find some houses to buy so we can flip, and we'll see you guys later. Take care. Say bye.
Bye.